In this video, we'll show you how to fix the issue of not being able to set your monitor's refresh rate to its maximum value. As you can see, I have a 100 Hz monitor connected to a dedicated GPU, but I cannot change the refresh rate to the maximum value supported by the monitor. First, check the port connected to the monitor from the NVIDIA control panel. As you can see, the monitor is connected via a DisplayPort. The root cause of this issue is that I'm using a low-quality DisplayPort to HDMI cable. I need this cable because my monitor doesn't have a DisplayPort input. Now, I will reconnect the monitor using the HDMI port directly instead of using the DisplayPort. This time, the monitor will connect directly to the GPU without a converter cable. I've disconnected the monitor and then connected it to the HDMI port. As you can see, I can now change the refresh rate to the maximum value supported by the monitor. Additionally, it's important to consider the Hertz limit for each HDMI version. This is crucial for achieving the best audio and video quality from your devices. Here are the approximate Hertz limits for different HDMI versions. Always ensure your cable and port support the desired refresh rate for optimal performance. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.